I used to think AI was making me smarter, faster, more productive, more efficient. Every new tool felt like an advantage, but slowly, without noticing, something changed. AI didn't make me better, it made me lazy. And the scary part is, I didn't notice it for months. Before I had to think first. I'd open a document, write a quick outline, and actually decide what I wanted to say. It was slower, but it forced me to be clear, and clarity is what creates quality. Then I became my default, open chat, GPT, type something vague, copy the output, paste it, publish. It felt like productivity, but it was just speed without thinking. The quality didn't drop instantly, it disappeared quietly. My writing started sounding generic. My ideas became predictable. I had the best tools in history, yet my work felt weaker, and I couldn't explain why. Then I realized the truth. I wasn't helping me think. It was thinking instead of me. I wasn't using AI as an amplifier. I was using it as a replacement, and replacements always make you weaker. So I changed my system. Now I never start with AI. I start with a goal, then a simple structure, and only then I use AI with context and constraints. Because AI works best when it's guided, and the final step is always editing. That's where quality comes from. Here's the difference. When I give AI a vague prompt, it gives me vague output. But when I give it a goal, an outline, and constraints, it produces something I can actually work with. AI generates the draft, but I decide what stays. AI should make you faster, not weaker. Think first, structure second, use AI third, and always improve the final result yourself. That's how you use AI without losing your edge.